An election is a fundamental feature of any democracy, which provides citizens opportunity to elect leaders and representatives of their choice. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) is responsible for conducting elections at the federal and state levels in Nigeria, while the State Independent Electoral Commission does same for the local government councils and wards. In recent times, INEC has received lots of commendations for the implementation of electoral reforms, especially the use of technology leading to more credible elections in the country. On the other hand, the State Independent Electoral Commission has faced backlash for being rubber stamp of state governors, as in most cases, only those on the governor's wish list end up winning elections. It is clear that almost all seats in council and ward elections conducted since 1999 were won by candidates of ruling political parties and sitting governors, with opposition parties and election observers questioning credibility of the electoral processes. Many political analysts have proposed scrapping of the state electoral body and its powers transferred to INEC to guide home a better exercise. Not long ago, INEC Chairman Professor Mahmoud Yakubu described the conduct of local government elections in virtually all states of the Federation as mere coronation of candidates of the ruling parties.
Some state independent electoral commissions are only constituted on the eve of elections and dissolved thereafter.
Adding his voice is the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi. He says governors have exploited flaws in certain sections of the 1999 Constitution to effectively abuse the rights of local governments by using SIEC to impose leaders through sham elections. He has suggested a robust constitutional amendment that will remove all hindrance to the development of local governments and bolster their abilities to fulfill constitutionally recognized mandates. The federal government has also dragged the 36 state governors to the Supreme Court in its quest to drive full autonomy for local governments.
If we are to address our critical national challenges, doing this requires legislation that safeguards and enhances the autonomy and effectiveness of this vital tier of government. The need for such action has become even more urgent in the light of the widespread abuse of the local government system by subnational governments.
However, an election observer Yaga Africa is having a different view to the increasing calls for the abolition of state independent electoral commissions. It says the idea will overburden INEC, leading to poorly conducted local elections. Over-concentration of power in the federal government and local communities will be stripped of opportunities to participate in decision-making. Where then will a level playing ground be mapped out to enhance a fair and credible elections and good governance at the local governments?